Addition with negative numbers. Adding a negative number is the equivalent of subtraction. 5 plus, in parentheses, negative 3 equals to 5 minus 3 equals 2. Because positive times a negative equals a negative. So for this reason, we do a subtraction. On the number line, we start from 5 and we take 3 steps back to 2. Addition between negative numbers. When you add two negative numbers, add their absolute values and keep the negative sign. Absolute value means we are adding the number itself without any sign. So it's a positive number. Because without a sign, we implicitly consider it a positive number. Negative 5 in parentheses plus negative 3 in parentheses equals to the negative sign outside, and we sum the numbers inside the parentheses. So negative, and in parentheses 5 plus 3 equals to negative 8. Adding two negative numbers gives us another negative number. On the number line, we start from negative 5 and we move left of 3 because we have added negative 3 and we get to negative 8.